Welcome to the Introduction to HoudiniESQ training series. To log into Houdini, you need to enter in your username, password, and check the Agree button to agree to our terms of service. If you want to read our terms of service or our privacy policy, you can click on the Read Our Terms button or go to HoudiniESQ.com. Once you've entered in the required fields, click the Login button. If you receive a message that you're using a weak password, you will have to acknowledge it and then change your password to a strong password before the next login. A strong password is between 8 to 12 alphanumeric characters long with at least one uppercase, one lowercase, one number, and one special character, such as an @ sign or a period. Houdini has a context-sensitive help system. In the top left corner of the screen, you'll notice the question mark icon. When we click on this, you'll notice we get help topics related to matters because we are currently on the Matter dashboard. If we close this pop-up window and click on the Contacts tab, and then click on the question mark icon again, we get help topics related to contacts because that's the dashboard we're currently on. This context-sensitive help is available for all dashboards in HoudiniESQ, and you can get to each dashboard through the tab at the top of the screen. Houdini also has mouse over tooltips for most icons and fields, giving you additional description information on their functionality and purpose. Finally, Houdini has the tutorial help feature. In the top right-hand corner, you'll notice this graduation cap icon. Anytime you see this graduation cap icon on the screen, it means there is an in-app tutorial for that section. If we click this icon, you'll notice a new window popped up inside the application that will give us an in-depth tutorial of that section and links to the HoudiniESQ knowledge base so that information is always current. Thank you for watching part 1 of this intro series.